Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable followers only chat on Twitch. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Twitch is the world's largest online video game streaming platform with more than 15 million daily active users. Twitch stream needs only find their audience to start making money on the platform. With so much opportunity to reach an enormous audience, you're probably wondering how you can use Twitch to market your own business. So I will show you on my previous video. I've shown you how to turn off the followers only chat on your Twitch stream. But now, what if you want to make your live stream more secure? You want to turn this on. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just log into your account. After that, you can go to your profile, choose on Stream Manager. From here, you can go to Quick Access by clicking this icon on the bottom right here. I'm sorry. Quick Actions, this icon. Now you can choose on the left icon in here. Here's for the followers only chat. Here's you can choose followers can chat if they have followed for at least this time below. 0, any followers, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. So for example, we'll just choose on 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, they follow my Twitch so they can comment on my live chat, on live stream. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable, how to turn on the followers only chat on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.